If you've grown up watching cartoons or played Mario or Sonic games, then you're aware of the fact that many, if not most, cartoon characters wear white gloves. But do you know why? Well, the origins can be traced back to the early days of animation, specifically Walt Disney Studios. In the 1920s, when Walt Disney was first developing his cartoon creations, the technology and techniques of animation were still evolving. The characters were primarily drawn in black and white, and the animators faced challenges in distinguishing their hands and making them visible against their bodies. To overcome this limitation, Walt Disney introduced white gloves on his characters' hands, providing a clear contrast and making their gestures and movements more easily discernible, starting with a 1929 Mickey short, The Opry House. As it turned out, the white gloves also added a touch of elegance and sophistication, helping to humanize Mickey and the other anthropomorphic animals. Soon, white gloves became a defining visual characteristic of those early Disney characters. As you might expect, with Disney's growing success came copycats, and before long, animal cartoon characters wearing white gloves was almost an industry standard, a standard that can still be seen today.